has a zero in it. What's happening with this grocery store right now? $2 scale. This is $202.50. It feels like it's cheaper right now. Are you sure this is the price? Right? It's cheaper. Yeah, that one's good. A lot of, yeah, that one, the leaves. Yeah, it says each. Get 2, that's it. No one is okay. That one over there, no? Over there. Yeah, it has to be a lot of leaves. I only need the leaves. Blend it in. I don't know why everything has 0 now. Usually it's not like this. What's happening today? Legendary. We have a lot of tomatoes. No, don't get that. Daddy took everything. It's too high. Mom, go get the garlic.
No, I can't reach it.
Try at least.
No, I can't. Why are you doing this to me?
Try it.
Open.
You can do it. See?
Yeah.
Oh, see, look at that. You got 2 things.
Yeah.
Mom, you'll drop the garlic on the ground. Mom. Oh my god. Can you go and get some cream cheese for us now? If you want me to record you, it's fine. Can you go get some? I need cream cheese because we used to have like a bagel. We have no cream cheese.
We have bagel.
Or you get more if you want.
Do we have some?
We have like 2. There's on the fridge.
God, that's it.
Okay, fine. Let's go get some.
No, I don't like a bagel. I want the bread that we always get.
I don't think you can get it here. I get it at Costco. Look at Shine. Look at her going.
I'll be on my YouTube.
God, she's making me turn this cart so much. We're at the pandesal section.
Wow, they have.
And they do have pandesal. But
Too expensive.
we're not here.
$4?
We're not here for pandesal.
What's the bagel?
I think it's on that side actually. Wait, actually, it's on that side, over there. I can't just steer this cart and hold the phone at the same time. When you record, you should be recording in 0.05. It's cooler.
Better.
So then when you want, like, you can record yourself like this if you need to, and then you can see yourself. Here.
This is $4.49. It's $5 for this.
Okay, if you go to Tim Hortons and buy 1 bagel, it's $5.
Oh yeah, true.
I want my protein tortilla.
Oh my god, this is expired.
Is it?
10:30.
Oh yeah.
Number 1. No, this is like today.
Oh, protein tortillas. Can I get some of these?
Okay, this one is November 10.
Yeah, I'll go away in a week.
November 10.
It's just chicken. Don't get it. It's just chicken breast. I mean, you know what? It actually is good lean. Do it. Just 1. No, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Go get the tissue. Mom, right over there.
Where?
The plastic bag on the side. Get it. Which one are you gonna get?
I get the light one. I don't know what the difference is.
No, there's no taste.
Exactly, so I might as well just do the light one.
There's no taste at all.
It's almost the same.
Okay, it's up to you. What's in here? Here is $27. And I only got it for $7. To get some yogurt. Where's the big one? What do you have there?
This is cow soy. I had this in Thailand.
Really?
Yeah. We had it at the Michelin restaurant. And then also, we learned how to make this.
Oh, you know how?
Yeah. And even the tom yum. I know how to make tom yum soup. And then the chicken curry. It's all Thai food. Try coconut lemongrass curry. Why is it all Thai food? So fun.
Wow. Kai soy?
Yeah, cow soy.
Can we get one and then make your own? Added something?
How much is it though? 2 for 8? How much is it?
2 for $8.
No, it's $5. That's a lot. No, I'll make it.
Do you know how to make it? The margarita pizzas. I think we're good. Oh, but we don't have meat.
We have fish sauce.
Yeah?
Do we have palm sugar?
No. What is that?
Palm sugar.
Palm sugar is like It's a lot of Rudolph. She's still doing grocery shopping. For
This is the international section. No,
it's on the other side, I think. International section. Didn't look spaghetti. What do you need? Bok choy. Wow, this is a Skyflakes. Look at this big. Oh, this one Philippine coconut milk. Huh? We have coconut milk at in the house, but it's only one. Cream? What's the difference? They wants to make some Thai food because she just came back from Thailand and she wants to try. What is it?
we need lemongrass.
Lemongrass. It is here and so clean. We're only here just to walk, and now our cart is full. We are going to pay now. We're done shopping.
We're gonna load all the stuff in the car. Bye-bye. Thank you for shopping with us. Okay. We're done shopping.
Over there.
Where? No, but it's okay. It's cold. I'm going this way to find the car. Where's the car? That's what we got all together. Groceries. What's happening there? Uh-oh. What is that?
Oil.
No. Sounds like there's a fire. Yeah, get it. Hello. You can? Oh yeah. Oh, it's wow. Just new.
Okay, right?
Yeah, that's pretty.
Or this one?
No, that one.
Or the tulips?
Tulips is cute too. No, but that one's cute. Look. One.
I gotta pee. Can I go pee first?
Okay, go.
Actually, I'll just go. It's fine.
Huh? Are you sure?
I needed the bag that size, guys. I still spent $200. Even though he got half.
It's just a little bit on the cart. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.